What's up, guys? It's Harper here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today, I'm reviewing fidgets and more fidgets and fidgets and fidgets. And these have been really popular, so I decided to get some. And let's start with the first fidget. Okay, so this is the first fidget. A nice stress ball. But what I don't like about it is for some reason it fogs up. Like that. But it's really pretty, nice to the squish. A little hard, but it's pretty nice. And it's Orbeez inside, but whenever you squish it, the Orbeez just get crushed one by one. So let's move on to the next fidget. So the next fidget I have are two Pop-It bracelets. Let's only review one because they're both the same. Okay, so the Pop-It bracelets, they're not the best quality because it's because they're on a bracelet. They're squished together. And whenever you put on the bracelet, it covers up some of the bubbles. Because you can't pop them down because this isn't the way. So, I mean, it's sort of a good quality. So, this will rate with the 5 out of 10. Okay. So now we'll rate the iPad case. Yes, I couldn't bring the iPad because it's filming me right now. Okay, so the iPad case. What I'm a little disappointed in is that the good bubbles are not on the outside. This is what it does. So it's not the best, and you have to, it's not like they really pop back up. You have to take off the case and pop them out. But the inside is great. So this I'll give about 7 out of 10. Okay, next fidget. So this is the next fidget I have. Let me just pop it all to the same size so you can see it. So, this is the next fidget. It's a shooting star. Okay, so, so, I don't know if this is the good side. So the pink popped really well, and then the yellow, pretty strong and poppy, but then you get to this green, and it's so quiet and weak, and then you move to the blue, and that's better than the green. I don't know what's going on with the green, but the star is amazing. So this, I'll give a 9 out of 10. And now, we have the big boy with 100 bubbles. So right now I'm on the bad side, but even the bad side is pretty good. Okay, so what we have here is 100 bubbled Pop-It. You can hang it on your backpack for some reason, even though it's really big. This one's like the best Pop-It I have. So, pretty good pops on the bad side. And I love doing the 2-finger pop. Like that. So now I'll show you the amazing pops on the good side. And this is like the best fidget of all. Dun, dun, dun. I know there are bigger ones, but this is the biggest pop that I could find. And yeah. So this one all rates 100 out of 10. Okay. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn your notifications. Turn your notifications on. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. And check out Awesome Puppets. Bye-bye.